Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and I'm in front of another abandoned church. So let's check this out. It's actually really cool. See you inside.
All right, so we're inside. This is actually pretty interesting to explore. There was originally not enough information on this, but we decided to check it out anyway because it was near one of the other spots we were doing. Can I run? Oh. Can I let me? Look at the smoke religion behind, dude. Okay. I hate bathrooms. I can't stand them. Ooh. Another one.
Someone pulled down the fire alarm already.
Probably them. Somebody probably did it to see if it worked. Okay, this is creepy. Somebody's in here. Look.
What?
Look.
This?
Did you do that?
No.
So apparently we're not the first people in here. Somebody else was. This seriously looks like a diner. It really freaking does. Ooh, piano. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem like there's much to this, but let's go upstairs and see. Oh. I'm heading upstairs, man. Guess I could shut these lights off now. So. I'm actually just going to phone off my backpack. Put this right here. All right. What's really interesting about this is it's literally right near the street. All right. Really? But as usual, I'm going to go upstairs first. Oh, well, and up my way down. Hey, there's projector screens. Okay, this is cool. This is cool. Okay, let's see if there's any food. Huh? Oh, dude. Oh, that's gross. There's like salad mix and stuff. Oh, gosh. That's so messed up. Oh, dude, check it out. I hope this lighting is okay, but this is cool. Dude, there's a popcorn machine here, amazing. There's a popcorn machine here. They're just plates. That's cool. Okay, those are cool. Dude, look at those are cool. Oh, interesting. Oh, flowers are still here. Obviously these are fake. No, are they actually alive? No, these are fake. Cool, cool. Oh, look at the lights up there.
Oh, nice.
Those are cool. So, head downstairs. I'll continue recording downstairs. Alright, so this is the second floor. I'm heading over into the other section of the building because this looks like where it goes in. So first of all, let me look in here. This is like really old state merged in. This is actually pretty good. Oh, this is cool. Oh, dude. Oh, gosh, come here. I don't want to know. You thirsty?
Straight good.
You thirsty?
The place is definitely Korean. Want to make a bum while in here?
No, that's actually locked. So, let's go. Sure. Okay, hang on.
Drug is on in here.
Interesting.
There's some sort of spell source.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna go in around the other side. The door is open. So this is the other side of the building. That's the one we were just in. Bathrooms.
This is fucking
That's where.
nice.
This is nice. That's cool.
Shit easy stuff here.
Good. I'm a badass. I do that every mirror I see in the building. Closed pillow.
You shine your light over there. Right.
Okay, that's cool. This is cool. Videotape all over the place. No, sir. No, sir. All right, I have to actually pause the camera. I see something that I have to send to somebody. Okay, I apologize for that. I actually just had a weird situation occur where I actually had to stop the camera for something, so you'll have to excuse me on that one. So, let's try it here. Interesting. I should have trusted that with this.
Shit, it's
Okay, this is creepy. Hey, dude, this is fucking creepy. This is fucking creepy. This is fucking creepy.
This is Albany, buddy.
Yeah, but this is fucking creepy. Like, seriously, kids' beds? That's creepy. Okay, so looks like this is the other side. That was fucking, dude, that room was creepy. Here's the other side. Okay, cool, check that out.
Yeah.
That's a cool piece of graffiti. Obviously we're not the first ones in here, but that's actually pretty good. Let me back up out of this. That is actually really nice. The stained glass back here is actually pretty good.
Yeah, surprised at the spot.
Huh?
I'm surprised at the spot.
Yeah, it's pretty good. I still don't care, that room was creepy. You kidding me? That's the front door. This place is actually pretty big. Alright, now I'll wait back, this is the creepy room. Alright, so that just walks around in a circle. In case you're ever exploring, sometimes these benches open up. Not solid, but sometimes they open up. Seriously? Dude, check this out. For the library. Right here. Just keep looking down the hall. Library.
I thought you said there's people down there. I'm like, what?
No, I said this is a library. You are here. I'm glad I am here. Let me get out of here. Dude, is that a wallet? Nothing in it. Okay, this is the other side of that creepy room. Oh, okay, so we just, this goes around in a circle. This is where we just were. Yep, okay. Huh. The hell? What is this? Can we cut through here or no? Oh, okay, so this just goes in a circle, I got it. Oh, no, wait, really? Okay, there's no guitar in there. I was gonna say, wow, there looks like a guitar here too. Okay. So, that's basically the end of this explore, and I'll see you at the